Yet said be obi antumi kaseti aye. Wa kaseti obe kaseti anu bi pepepe because we ase obi anchen obi muro obi so. Obi edi nanim dua chen wa wo so de wo shape chen no. Obi de ne yefunu chen wa wo so de wo nan chen no.
Na say Ohemaa Woyeje wanya miro. Dabi. Ma me nya mire. What I say? Sammy can say weekends we no. Me say even mo come because ono dey need because the bookings no anu ohye. Get you at finally no. Ohemaa Woyeje aba reply TikTokers for no mood na tem. On there was 30 beef no tem. On the Jack Kwabena go dey check akra. But we dey ma be we no Ohemaa Woyeje dey. Was 30 beef no tem. What dey be wo so? What the other was Woyeje the other was Ohemaa Woyeje the other was what make can have you TikTokers for mood na tem. And I like the vim. Me pay vim no. I like the spirit. When you say mommy dey bia na me bomb pe na me hira mo na mo nyini che when you say dey bia na me mom pe hira na mo nyini che I Penyah block me there. Me just say dey mo. Over like video no that my boss subscribe button stand back and keep any place and call no latest update. Na ba chere wa adwen dia mama. Ewo comment section. Obasoa. No achieve no for so enya bi ashe. Let's start from here. Obekai. Nancy after the helicopter incident no. And who say D4 ebeji edede o ma we mu we sim na hu ye me na me ye se me na me kan ye me na me hu ahwan later say mahama afọ committee bia omo no just me to mu dini PRA Prophecy and Revelation Board Authority PRA I say there's a free ankra okay no ono na under mahama the first term na or serve as youth and sports president ono ana 2012 ya kwa World Cup FIFA World Cup okoto kube that time kube kula 30 pesos e Ghana okoto kube ba ko $100 every free akra so ni na kube okoto kube $100 every free akra we say mahama I'm on the position as Sumankwa hene Sumankwa na no ndumade ni say Ghana D4 se mo obi claims we nyam come sha he o media public emeka onko home office Sumankwa hene wo ho no wo kan come sha na enkyere no Sumankwa hene be hwehwemu so hwehwemu na se ehu hia se yama Ghana for tibia Sumankwa hene be ma ne kwa za ke odifo kone kwaka province media be ba kwa ka kire Ghana for no oda se let's now say nyame kasa ji se ko Sumankwa hene every yankra am every yankra hwehwemu en so nyame akana every yankra Sumankwa hene o hwehwemu do hwehwemu wi azana de nyame pe so ka kire ndi for ne man no different yawo Africa enye sa fe ndi for to atwi nyame diri ndi for beto asemu oda se na that day no dey aduwe bae no and from there no every say fian ka kirem so masa say dem come see course ba see ya omuti board na enya na wotwimpo no abusia en come say guri te busi twabu 300 en come say guri te busi twabu 300 what I say I don't know what you say masa yeah adwebere me office enya ho ne review prophecy na so me kai office na Mahama create no they both tell say they will review prophecy et Elvis dwane Sumankwa ne udwane udwane na no na Ghana was here Elvis masa enya ne suma woni Mahama wakoti office ne de prophecy ne ye dey ba ne se dey ba obeji asaji bi
Elvis a free ankra se onso abreu papa ebedi sports minister yeso wakoto kube say $100 you ebeti ni su ah o free wa na yese enye he eya ye MC kakra President Mahama Sakranti second term no empire bebiri ni asofo semti ya no abedi MC na ne boys gugugudu hallelujah kiki na wedidi mua ni amanu eja MPP for say Sumankwa na jo eja officer ya di amanu say nka on review prophecies de bia prophecy amubebe bia obi bewu en obi bewu en o mahu say en na osisese wa bre adwuma no 2 months kura man so wa bre osi wa bre say prophecy na o de ba no enya prophecy a ebe ma Ghana e ti se Malaysia ni Singapore and fama only positive prophecies Aha. He said the mama na mean wa bre adai. Ghana ngwa na de bia obi be. Nti who prophecy afa na wo dem. Na mama na bre kura. Na wana be Ghana sa.
Yes. Now you go talk through. Since you no beka no kure. No kure no. Mo beka. Na ye kan nam ka se bwa ho. Ye kan nam ka se. Abusia tiera. If a free anchor. Mo ka se man pedisi so e be ka chato fo mo Ghana so kom sha. Fabra ye review en kom sha ne hwe. Yes, we didn't buy one week, then I'm going to pay 200. Nina's not same anyway. And then, oh, one got a mechanical. Enough of your deaf prophecies. My office is not for receiving prophecies. This is the Asɛm come on, David. Why? Mo, Missy Buja was she. I've been for no. Or more back someone come back. Some of them come chat here. Two of them like I say. Shana Mamono, Mamma Sofo, and I suffer, and I suffer. Muzumas of one chance, and I wear the same Penyah station. Mamma said, God, this is not the time. Some of them who quiet, not software, software, no Casam, Obisa, and I was say, you're 2 man penny, you're 2 book, Yatina Kuma, ya any say, hey, I was you go talk through. And a father for, yeah, come on, fear. Since the man, a woman, crack. Say, I know, say, I can't move your sword, and woman is and I say yes. I've been at your office is not for prophecy. I buy a tree, Mabaku, Abamu, Amamu, or my neighbor boo. Not more the bear prophecy, and I saw for the soda. My own say, man, penny, saying so and so and so. My own say, minister way, saying so and so and so. Meaning, so only can and one and point us on focus. Other countries, the meaning, so point out Pomuso. And as Mampeni said at home, and I'm Mampeni saying, and I'm Mampeni saying, and comes a full-time campus. Maybe say former president is a good family. My thing say I'm coming be about former president. What that meaning? Say His Excellency John Dramani. Yes, he mentioned Nkuma. I don't know. And he just of way. We are not coway. We are not coway. They be kind of music boy. Afina, watch your pet. Enough of your death prophecy, David. I am there. Someone got a dear canon, a bill money. Let us see how to be a office of free to make us say. Office on your death prophecy office. You go explain tire. You go talk through. Next time you can say one. Move it. Number Ghana prophecy. Part 10. I was a very low. Oh, come up, let's say. Ghana prophecy for a mutia. And come for listening to me. Please. If you have any prophecy about Ghana becoming like Malaysia, Singapore, or South Korea, then come see me. Why are you running? Why have you had them? If it's a free anchor, some people question on Commander. Because and some of them can't do. As I'm conscious, when they be able to so. Because I say, we're ready a won't question. The office on the a won't come office. I say, I'm praying for the day our prophet will have visions of a Ghana that is transformed and prosperous. Enough of the death prophecy. Prophecy, but And so I pay on my team. Ya to bury the woman. Must say prophecy review. And one say when he did it, and I'm on just on the end here. And I saw before I'm passing with focus. I'm on. And yet the moon, some catch him say, baby, I don't know. Somebody who ever the Mongo Pedan say, Purple Tumuti, and Consciano. After the market say about. After the Mujane, may I am the same Mujane. Sir, if you have any prophecy about Ghana becoming like Malaysia, Singapore, then come see me. Hey, I'm so sad, Papa. I need your major because all sorts of Ghana so for so. Just so Munyan, Ebio Munyan do tour. Papa, on better for 99. I am the same. When you never can. Now, when you say, yeah, if you are so for being in the way they hear, and I say, so for being a penasem, and I say, and Penyah, Debbie. Ya to ba we ye be my afuko so o man no na se na o man be tu mpon ene dia so sem so fu we se man pani ebu be tu man pani etu be ne ya ne mfe ye yi ne bo ye yi ne mfe ye yi na kuma na komishe hu ne the pressure ba tu ni person kwa asem kwa na we ye sem so say ye mo mo come sembra ne review for what ye review come say so for chrono debut it's me say me catch them say mo ebe furu mo because me nim Ghana so for o man one chance Obama second chance Abina mo jane David mo jane mo come on mate
hey honorable free ankra oh hey mo kai minister we as NDC time me di no at this time o call work up. No, a minister of sports they call like a coupe back or they did 10 billion. One guy on one. Say, when you need to own them. Oh, on our Bazimiano, I can hear Bompire say, Young couple be vision more. Yes, oh, Ghana prosper. Ghana Penyah way, just a moon 4 years say, moon 4 DA, a moon for my Ghana and to me, Mufonuzu DA. Sa prophet Ninya Maya. And one year train say Yanko Pompe use our prophecy number. Say be a prophet be able say Ghana. Say na mube die, we na mube ye, ebe tumpon, e mutime mu fonu so be di ye, omo be hen ha wo mo, sa prophecy ni de yenteda. Minim say nyame nti e bete wo asomdwem ana amene hene.
Na so man kwa ni dwane no. Ebi mo so send call notice. Emma Brakwa mo ne Sammy Gyamfi mo ni ade omanya call.
Hello Ghana for and then my sister background because Asɛm we won hear me pa say NDC for enim no mo koto private jet bi say Mahama mbra no be train na Mahama ma Sani we a black one woni momuki kan sem de fa kofado mu e di fa kofado say yanko to play na mu kan sem fun sa no e di tira kofado no mo an resigning na Mahama anko pa kofado chew no mu koto private jet fufura Yehowa eno so be hye wawiem eno so be hye mama be hye wom ye ka ama mo NDC for mate ye see say sa we private jet no ama ene ne kron 4% be kwa akoto so mo nim no mo koto na sa ne kron 4 na mo akasatia akofado e wo private jet no omo resign ene onu Mahama no wankopa akofado chew amma na nye public se wapo pa akofado chew e wo hu no and se Mahama koto sa private jet na ye domino se sa private jet no eno so be hye wo wiem Mahama obe wuwom ye kama na ye clear because NDC for no say an politics no mu ye no to say like jinye mafufa young boys and they have no idea about how politics run and they think it is just a foolish omuka say just to come and play around, to just talk anything, to just play mind games. Now young boys about politics more and they Asɛm. yesi se mama amma saa ne krofo no ablakwa eni saa gold board CEO no saa foolish boy no eni ne krofo no eni obi a oka safa private jet na akufo do kan ye no oka safa ho nsɛmfo fa ho so mu nyina mo resign na mama koto fofra yesi ebe mama be wuwom ye kana mana ye clear obe wuwom mama try so kwa koto private jet dia wo ho no ban no yusu no omu se betimi akọ enim 4 years kra ye betimi ayusu mama yusu no sa on yusu no sa so wan yusu no koto fofra obe wuwom ye kana mana ye clear and this is for they are playing foolish game. They don't understand politics. We also just playing foolish game. What kind of nonsense is this? You are living in a country and you play with people's mind, talk nonsense.
Na enra ana me bro video me ka kire wo se Ohemaa Woyeje eso de ne ho ba o de ne ho ba trend ne mu wo de ne ho ba bete ne nyina fa Bawumia any fantasy comedy a chain na yes ye ja na okosra Bawumia ko on the fantasy comedy oye Bawumia I mean we one of Bawumia we one of Bawumia's TikTokers na omu eye adwuma kese e ma no e wo media ne so no e just say wa fene father ye yi fan comedy na okosra Bawumia no Bawumia ni twetwa picture and a picture be fly on the internet Ohemaa we be chirema on tiase say adentina in the first place ye jai adentina in the first place ye jai fantasy comedy so on fan nkodi first any you just system no a nonsense aton so bibia nwekidie second Bawumia na on fantasy comedy ko twa picture no nyanse bia nim on tiase se Bawumia ne fantasy comedy etwa picture any media ne so no amanfo be dem no nra omo dem no keka bi kire Ohemaa Woyeje
obia nipa nyina beka NPP fo asam so aba beka bi wo beka large mamudi Bawumia asem on wanim se kwaku abrewa ho se ohia ni fufuo so nam no se sei ha mu tintin se waya bare se tontom wo se de what's not Ghana no media station wona wanim bare ya se de abo ahomatire amiemu no wanim abuesia ya kofa hwehwehwe wanim se de wo ho time panka wo meka obi asem oba wo ho time de aya nanka wo hwe wano kasa asa no akasa nipa wo ho time wo se ohia ni fufuo so nam oba wanim gase wanim abuesie wanim se kwaku abrewa what one make kan kwase ase na me se sa amuko UTV woni say ema wono na anu ba ko bi se yakeka Agya Kwabena nsem oba na anim tantanta manim se kwakuyo ya se ma manim tantanta ko gu media obi nyima wontimi hwe ayi no asiafo ma waye wo ho se atopa
wo sa oba wi afro ho Ohemaa Woyeje wi ma pe wache se wujimi a metu mani asiusu continuously for 1 year kwasi aba wo fin media isu nyina wo na wo yo ba wo etan eno obi anim nyese me na meka wo tantan kwasi aba we mu nyina onya ba ma e ma jimifo ba ma bi ono so na ha mu tentene e ma ni yikote de se otwe kwasi a pupu to bra wo se de wo se Dr. Bawumia ko sia fancy comedy nti de wo fin abo wo ti kurom ha na Kevin Taylor ba ya wo mu jan free so wonko ye de ne ko she dem pia na ti ko so wonko nya ebone wo kwasia ne ujimi wo fin ho kankan Ohemaa Woyeje wanim tantan se obi na ase kwasia ba wo tantan wo nya fenye wu minim de nti am nya mema na ajimi a na me ma mema ye omgu obi wetu akofo oba afun bi se de na bre me na me mahwe no waware no aboa wukuna ha mu tentente se no kwate tentente no watwe no wodidi utwefon no kwasia ba jimi fo de pupu to bra ba beto me ha okwasia no wanim tantan wo tantan se ka wo ba ba mu se ka wo ba we mi kurom asaman kese anka ye de wo chebosom wo ba na ne ho tan se ya ye de ne kotwa no gubosom so na ma bosom fa ye powerful we ye jan no abene nam wiase ne abosom ne nam ho kwasia ba wo tantan wate wo ba fin tantan wanim tan
na sa Ohemaa Woyeje onya miro ebusia ono so papa replies anko fu nyina
yetere be obi antumi kaseti aye wo kaseti obe kaseti an bi pepepe because we ase obi anchen obi muro obi so obi edi nanim dua chen wa wo so de wo shape chen no obi de ne yefunu chen wa wo so de wo nan chen no obi kura de ne tinwi chen wa wo so de wo mowre keke chen no se bia bia behwe ne mowre na de to de ho se he wo mowre di mu pa anti no ensatia ne nye pe no but obi a wo ne de man ne dance obi a wo ne de man ne special enti me bi emu abomfia da because of ne de ba ku bi of say ye chen wo de. That be why Allah you for no play dolo. Men boy John ma obia. When they come, you face them. What I say international man steady. Now man yet to say the who come when you to me over a fofro. That is not allowed. Don't allow.
What else say? Ohemaa Woyeje, I reply. Then so reply now. Ohemaa Woyeje dia ba ne de. Ebesa henya agoro ni mo. Eba media no so. Heat no. Ebesa ba. Come back to the next part of this video. Abraham the omo response. Ebe bro, na to kire wadwe ama me. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.